Dhanlakshmi Safes, a safe company established by an entrepreneur from Hubli named Jayachandas Naraperam Panchal in the year 1935. Their products of security equipments have ranges like fire and burglar resisting safes, electronic safes, strong room doors, safe deposit lockers, and cabinets which ensure complete safety and peace of mind. Its security equipments are specially designed to ISI specification and meet the needs of all customers. Dhanlakshmi is an entity that has determined effort and endurance for durability, reliability, and affordability. A fully welded multi-corner bend construction makes body an integral whole and thereby securing it from all 5 sides.
All steel components are given a thorough anti-corrosion treatment, followed by coats of rust, inhibiting paint for more protections. The door is provided with solid slang steel plate on 4 sides, forming a lock case, which is the bolt work and lock mechanism.
It has always been a company that precedes the development of latest and innovative technologies.
I am Mr. Prakash Rajapur of RPI Domains, Hospet. I've been using Dhanalakshmi products for the past 15 to 20 years. I am very satisfied with the products. Once so it happened that some of thieves tried to open the locker in my farmhouse nearly for 4 to 5 hours with a gas cutter, but they couldn't do it successfully. I would like to say thanks to Dhanalakshmi for safeguarding my hard-earned money and valuable things.
Hello, I'm Karthik Acharya, Managing Partner at Sri Lakshmidas Jewellers, Hubli. We've recently purchased strong room doors at Dhanalakshmi Safes, and we are very content with the service they've provided. The technology they've used is latest and up to satisfaction, and that makes us work hassle-free in the counter.
Hi, I am Mukesh Panchal, CEO of Dhanalakshmi Safe Company. I thank all my customers who have been supporting us for nearly 8 decades. Me and my younger brother Jitesh Panchal, being the third generation of Dhanalakshmi Safe Company, are striving hard to improve the safety standards year on year. We are an ISO 9001-2008 certified organization committed to provide you quality product and service. Thank you.